How to invite friends in Trading 212. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to invite your friends in Trading 212, then here is how you do it. First of all, open up Trading 212 app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner from the home page. Once you do that, on the next page, tap on Get a Reward at the top and you'll see an invitation link generated. You can copy that link or simply tap on Share Invite link and choose Contacts from the pop-up or social messaging applications and send your friend the referral link. You can also use the SMS app on your device. Copy this invitation link by tapping on the link at the top and then go ahead and paste it in your desired SMS app. Select the contact you want to invite and you'll be able to share the invitation link. You can literally just send it anywhere you like and your friend just needs to sign up using that link. Once they register and meet any required conditions like depositing or trading, you'll be able to get rewards like free shares, both of you. So that's how you can easily invite your friends into the platform in just a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.